Hi there, it's me, Shai. Welcome back ka sa channel na ito. I have this playlist kung paano maging virtual assistant, mag-freelancer, or maghanap ng trabaho online. For this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you kung gusto mong matuto ng formal sa mga online skills na kailangan mong matutunan. Well, if you're someone who is aspiring to become a virtual assistant, a freelancer, or makahanap ng online jobs, you've come to the right place. For this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you what are those websites na pwede nyong puntahan to gain knowledge about digital marketing, social media management, at kung ano-ano pang pwede mong matutunan. Ito yung mga websites kung saan pwede kang mag-online skills training na libre lang. Again, libre lang. And of course, the good thing is, meron din silang pinoprovide na certificate after your training. So, napakaganda ng mga websites na ito, and I hope you watch this video para naman hindi ka na magbayad ng mga paid courses na hindi mo na naman sure kung magagamit mo ba. So, watch this until the end. Sana may matutunan ka. So, what are the websites that offers free online courses? Sa dami ng websites, ito lang talaga yung top 5 na na-try ko, kaya ito yung share ko sa inyo. So, LinkedIn Learning, Google Digital Garage, HubSpot.com, Udemy.com, and eMarketing Institute. So, sa LinkedIn, pwede kayong pumunta sa website nila. It's linkedin.com/learning. And from there, you can register or sign in and start the free trial. Definitely, you can try it for free. At saka, i-grab mo na yung opportunity na matuto ka from this website. Kasi marami din silang ino-offer. All you need to do is to sign up and then go to search bar, then search mo yung virtual assistants, for example lang. And there, you can check on the offers that they have. So, makikita nyo may mga how to become a virtual assistant, understanding virtual assistant, mga ganun na mga courses. And from these courses, matututo kayo ng mga basic knowledge about virtual assistants. Malaking turong na rin compared to magbabayad ka sa mga paid courses online na hindi mo naman sure na magagamit mo ba. So, may nakita ako dito, essential skills for communication. It's definitely a must try kasi makakatulong talaga yun. Dito naman sa Google Digital Garage, there's a lot of courses that you can choose from. Of course, may mga for digital marketing, social media management. Meron din ditong tutorial about how to manage a Google business profile para sa clients nyo. So, if your client is a business owner, Google Digital Garage is my go-to for me to learn something about Google listings, yung mga Google My Business Profile, kung paano mo siya ipopromote at magkakaroon ng maraming search and views through Google. So, this one is the best option for you if you want to serve someone or a client na business owner. So, hindi man skilled din yung marunong sa Google Ads, shopping ads, Google video ads, kahit anong-ano pa. So, better you watch this or mag-try kayo ng Google Digital Garage. Marami kayong matututunan. Kasi once nakahanap na kayo ng niche nyo, you will definitely find a client na pwede kayo i-train. Pero much better na may background kayo sa mga fundamentals about something like this, mga digital marketing, for example. So, it will definitely help you find a client if meron ka ng specialized courses na na-try. So, madali lang dito, sign up ka lang, and then you can definitely watch this. Flexible naman yung time. So, anytime, pwede mong panoorin at pwede kang mag-train. Next naman is yung Udemy. Sa Udemy, marami talagang courses. Some are paid, pero marami din namang free. May Facebook group na nagpo-post sometimes ng mga Udemy courses na free. So, whenever you see a link na sinend nila, I would highly suggest na i-save nyo yung course or enroll to that course kasi forever naman siya mapupunta dun sa account mo. Makikita siya dito sa My Learning. So, dati may nakikita ako mga links, anything lang about Amazon FBA, social media marketing, kahit ano-ano na lang. So, sinisave ko talaga, ini-enroll ko, kasi free lang naman, tsaka limited lang yung time para mag-enroll doon. So, from there, if I have my time, pwede ko siyang i-review, pwede akong mag-join. You can watch anytime naman. And then, there are courses na may certificates na binibigay. So, once you complete that course, pwede mo siyang gamitin. Udemy is a legit website where you can find a lot of things to learn. So, better you sign up and then you find Facebook groups na nag-o-offer or nag-share ng mga links na may mga free courses sa Udemy. I-save mo lang, i-enroll mo lang. From very basic na mga learnings up to pang pro na, meron talagang mga courses dito sa Udemy. Another website na pwede ka mag-free training, this is one of my favorite, it's hubspot.com. They offer a lot of courses na free with certification. So just go to resources, then i-click mo yung my free courses and certification, yan dyan. And then once you get there, may makikita ka or may lalabas na all courses and certifications. So pili ka lang ng course na gusto mong enroll, maraming options. Pwede mo din siyang i-filter out kung saan lang yung may mga certifications. So, hanap ka lang, basa-basa ka lang kung ano yung mga pwede mong i-learn. May course dito for digital marketing. Halimbawa ito, inbound marketing, revenue operations, yung may mga complicated na mga courses. Meron din pang mga basic like social media management, sales management. There's a lot of options and absolutely free. This is better compared to magbabayad ka ng mga paid courses online na hindi mo din sure kung magagamit mo. So, hubspot.com lang. Marami ka nang matututunan from this website. So, ito, as you can see, may social media marketing, may SEO, may sales enhancement, content marketing, email marketing. So, definitely, if you're someone who would like to help business owners, you can definitely get this course and then get our certification from HubSpot. And from here, pwede mo siyang i-attach sa application mo. And, of course, makakahanap ka din ng client in the future. Then, dito naman sa eMarketing Institute, you will definitely get courses. They actually have 10 courses, I think, and may ebook din. So, it's also free digital marketing courses na ino-offer nila. All you have to do is to log in, sign up, and then from there, you can see the options kung anong course ang pwede mong ikunin. So, these are digital marketing courses. Pwedeng SEO, social media marketing, SEO certification, web analytics, blogging, e-commerce. So, maraming options din. Hindi ko pa na-try lahat, pero I downloaded the ebook that they provided. Binasa ko. Malaking tulong din. Marami ka din namang matututunan. So, you better go to this website, sign up, and then from there, you can just definitely get some information about for example, social media management. Well, these are the only websites that I have for now. Pero marami ka pa talagang pwedeng puntahan na mga websites na nag-o-offer ng free courses. Well, up next, on my next video, I will teach you how to create your own website portfolio. Napakasimple lang. It's through Canva or Google Sites. So, better watch the next video. If nagustuhan niyo yung mga videos na to at may mga tanong pa kayo, pwede kayong mag-comment down below. And pwede din yung notification bell para always updated ka. If you have some questions for me, of course, you can reach out sa aking mga social media accounts. It's Hey Miss Shai on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. And of course, sa TikTok ko, may mga series of videos din ako na pwede mong matutunan. Mga websites na pwede mong pag-applyan, mga tips and tips, na mga short form videos lang na sure ako na pwede mong matutunan lahat. So again, it's me, Shai, not just your ordinary business ally. Follow me for more. Bye!